Is glycerol. So what is glycerol? Glycerol does not contains the alcoholic group. So the options are primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. None of these. Actually, the structural formula of the glycerol is it is CH2. It is CH and it is CH2. So CH2 with OH group, CH with OH group, CH2 with OH group. So it is the structure of the glycerol. So the name of the glycerol is the 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3 diol. It is the triol. Triol. So mean it prop. It is the prop 1 comma 2 comma 3 triol. So in this, actually this alcohol group attached with primary carbon. It is the primary carbon. Why? Because it is primary carbon. This carbon attached to only one carbon. It is primary carbon. Second alcohol group attached to the secondary carbon. So it is the secondary carbon. Why? Because it is secondary carbon. This carbon attached to another two carbons. So it is the secondary alcohol. So the next one is third alcohol group attached to the primary carbon. So it is a primary carbon because it is attached to only one carbon. So this alcohol is belong to primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. This alcohol is belong to secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. This alcohol is considered as primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. So glycerol contains primary and secondary alcohols. So primary alcohols, secondary alcohols. Glycerol does not means the answer is third option. It does not contain tertiary alcohols. Involved in a chemical reaction in the presence of X. It is involved in a chemical reaction in the presence of what is HCl and AlCl3. AlCl3. So that it gives the Y. The compound is the Y. It is the X. Compound is Y. So then compound involved in a chemical reaction in the presence of aqueous potassium hydroxide. Aqueous potassium hydroxide. So then it gives the C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol is obtained. Ethyl alcohol is obtained. So in the above reaction, the reactant X is, what is the X in the reaction? What is X in the reaction? Generally, for example, according to options, first option is ethyl chloride, second option is acetylene, third option is ethene, fourth option is ethyl bromide. So generally, ethyl alcohol, if for example, let us consider in the place of X, so it is CH2 double bond CH2. So it is ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, it is the ethene. So ethene involved in a chemical reaction in the presence of HCl and AlCl3. Generally, AlCl3 is the anhydrous AlCl3. It is the Lewis base. Lewis base. So in HCl, H combines with one carbon, chlorine combines with another carbon. So then it gives CH3. It is CH2. It is Cl. CH3, CH2, Cl. It is the Y. The compound Y is ethyl chloride. It is the ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. So then ethyl chloride involved in a chemical reaction in the presence of aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH means addition of what is water. Addition of water. Addition of water. So then in addition of water means it is H, it is OH. So then CH3CH2 ethyl group combines with OH. So then it gives the CH3CH2, it is OH ethyl alcohol plus Cl combines with the H, it is the HCl. So the final obtained compound is the ethyl alcohol, Y is the ethyl chloride, so then X is the ethane. So the answer is the ethane. So ethane involved in hydrohalogenation. Generally this reaction is the hydrohalogenation. Halogenation means addition of hydrogen in the halogen. So that alkene converted into the alkyl chlorides. On hydrolysis of the alkyl chlorides, it gives the corresponding alcohols. Corresponding bit, it is the concept bit or conceptual bit. So then bit number 7 is ethyl chloride treated with AgOH. So then ethyl chloride C2H5Cl, it is treated with the silver hydroxide. So then it gives A, the compound is A plus and it is AgCl, silver chloride. So then the obtained A, it is react with acid chloride. So it is CH3COCl, it is simply acyl chloride, and it gives the compound C plus HCl, So in this reaction, what is C? So in this reaction, what is C? What is C in this reaction? Generally, in this reaction, C is the, according to options, it is ethyl acetate. For example, let us consider C2H5Cl, it is treated with AgOH. So then Ag combines with Cl, it is the AgCl. So the remaining compound is C2H5 plus OH. A is C2H5OH, it is the ethyl alcohol. So then A is ethyl alcohol, it is C2H5OH. It is treated with CH3COCl. So then it is C2H5COOCH3. C2H5COO, and it is CH3. Then remaining H combines with Cl. So then it is HCl. The remaining compound is C2H5COO, it is CH3. This equation C is the C2H5COO CH3. So then it is C2H5 ethyl, it is the acetate. So the name of the ester, it is the ethyl acetate. So the answer is the ethyl acetate. So in this reaction, C is the ethyl acetate. It means ethyl chloride treated with silver hydroxide, it gives the ethyl alcohol and the silver chloride. So then ethyl alcohol treated with acetyl chloride, it gives the ethyl acetate and HCl. So the answer C is the ethyl acetate. Number 10 is ethyl alcohol involved in a chemical reaction in a certain optimum conditions, that is X. It gives the compound B. So then the compound involved in a chemical reaction at a certain conditions, that is Y, it gives the ethene. So it is the ethene, it is alkene and water. So what are the optimum conditions in this reaction X and Y? Actually, ethyl alcohol, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, undergoes in a esterification reaction in the presence of Al2O3 and 260 degrees centigrade temperature. 260 degrees centigrade temperature. So then 2 moles of ethyl group and 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. So then it gives C2H5, it is O, it is C2H5. So the remaining 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, so then it gives the water, it is H2O. It is ethyl, it is the R, it is O, it is ethyl, it is R. So it is a simple representation is ROR. The obtained compound B is the ether. It is the diethyl ether. It is the diethyl ether. So then B, the obtained B involved in a chemical reaction, certain conditions it gives what is methane. So then what is it gives the ethane and water. So for example, let us consider B. So what is B? It is C2H5. It is O. It is C2H5. So it is involved in dehydration reaction. Dehydration reaction. Dehydration means minus H2O. Minus H2O. This reaction undergoes in the presence of Al2O3, same reagent, but the temperature is different. That is 360 degree centigrade temperature. 360 degree centigrade temperature. So then in this C2H5, removal of one hydrogen. In this C2H5, removal of one hydrogen, H2O, and it is H2O. So remaining is C2H4, it is C2H4. So then C2H4 and it is C2H4. C2H4 means ethene. The obtained ethene is 2 moles. So then it is the 2 moles of C2H4 is obtained. Plus what is water. So it means ethyl alcohol in the presence of Al2O3 at 260 degree centigrade temperature, it gives the ethers. What is ethers? Then ethers involved in dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. So it is the dehydration reaction, removal of water in the presence of Al2O3, but the temperature is 360 degrees centigrade. It is 260, it is 360, it gives the ethene. Gives the ethene.